Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add a bio on your Threads profile. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. Next, you can find Edit Profile option. Tap on it. And then select on the bio. Add the bio. And then tap on the Done button. Again, select the Done button. And that's it. This is how you can add a bio on your Threads profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.